Okay, I'm forcing Nature Mom to climb this tree. It's pretty easy, but I think it's as steep as the one I did. It's bigger, but I still think Nature Mom can do it. She's definitely focusing very well. Come on, just a little bit farther. Do you want to go up farther? Be the best Nature Mom you can be?
Nature Mom!
Do. You want to go farther? You want to show the fans what you can do?
The tree's pretty dead.
Okay, wait. Stay up there. We have some questions from the viewers.
Okay.
You have to face towards the camera. Okay. How do you feel on accomplishing your first steep tree?
I feel like Tarzan.
And how does Tarzan make you feel?
Ah!
So, this has been Nature Mom finally completing the tree.
I believe I can fly.